microwave. In this internship, during the internship, I covered these topics: introduction to C, conditional loops and operators, array and pointers, function and strings, storage classes, introduction to embedded systems and microcontrollers, MPLabs, ID, XCB, PCIMLab, introduction to various peripherals of PICSIMLab F877A, interfacing various peripherals of PICSIMLab F877A, given multiple quiz and attend this workshop. And in this presentation, I covered these topics: what is microwave, what is embedded system and its types, requirements, microcontrollers and microprocessor, PICSIMLab, C, LCD, matrix keypad, ISR, timer, and we are also see project implementation. What is microwave oven? Microwave oven is used to heat the food using microwaves, which is off from electromagnetic waves. There are several modes in various microwaves. We are going to implement 4 modes. They are following: micro mode, grill mode, convection mode, start mode. Here we are seeing deeply these modes. Micro modes. This mode is used to cook food in a traditional way. It uses maximum power of 900 watt. In this, the maximum time that you set for cooking 60 minutes. And now grill mode. This mode is used to cook meat and bread. It works as the micro mode, but the purpose is to cook meat and bread. User can set time as per the cooking time of the meat. Convection mode. In this mode, user can set oven to preheat for a particular temperature, and it takes 3 minutes to preheat the oven. After preheating is done, then the user can set the time as per requirements. Start mode. The start mode is used to start function by the user. Now, embedded system. What is embedded system? Embedded system is a combination of any hardware and software which is intended to do a specific task. A general purpose system, GPS, used to perform large number of tasks, where in space embedded system is used to perform specific task. A general purpose system is used to perform large number of tasks, whereas a embedded system used to perform a specific task. These are different general purpose systems and embedded system. Now we can see type of embedded system: stand-alone system, real-time system, networked system, mobile system. Now, a stand-alone system. A stand-alone system is any application or software that does not need to be bundled with other softwares or applications, nor does it require anything else to function. In other words, it's software that can stand on its own without help of the internet or on another processor computer. For example, semi-automatic washing machine. These are systems independent system. This system can take action by their own. For example, Google car, driverless car. Now see real-time system. This system are time-bound system which will take action on a specific time. Failure in the system are not acceptable. These are multiple types or three types: hard real time, firm real time, soft real time. For example, airbag system. Now see network system. The system which are connected to network is called network system. For example, home security systems. Now mobile. A mobile operating system is software that allows smartphones, tablets, and other devices to run applications and programs. Requirements: MPLAB ID, X8 compiler, PICSIMLAB, PIC16, F877A, 64 CLCD, tactile switch, MKP timer. Microcontroller and microprocessors. Microcontrollers. Microcontroller is a small and low-cost microcomputer which is designed to perform the specific tasks of embedded system, like displaying microwaves, information, receiving remote signals, etc. Microprocessor. Microprocessor is a controlling unit of a microcomputer fabricated on a small chip capable of performing ALU (arithmetic logical unit) operations and communicating with the other device connected to it. An integrated circuit which is capable of being programmed to perform a specific task. It has a design restriction such as memory size, input-output capabilities, peripheral functions, etc. Choose a microcontroller based on application, performance, price, availability of tools, and special capabilities. In other words, microcontroller, all components will be in a single chip, less flexible and less design complexity. Whereas microprocessor, all components are assembled separately, more flexible and more design complexity. Microcontroller versus microprocessors. Microcontrollers, all components will be a single chip, less flexible, less design complexity. Now see, PICSIMLAB architecture. PICSIMLAB is a real-time emulator of development board with integrated MPLAB X AVR GBD debugger. PICSIMLAB supports some PICSIM microcontrollers and some similar microcontrollers. PICSIMLAB have integration with MPLAB or Arduino IDE for programming the board of microcontrollers. In this figure, now see LEDs, RS-232, buzzer, digital keypad, SSDs, matrix keypad, CLCD, ADC, temperature sensors, RTC, EEPROM. We are use GPIO. CLCD, character liquid crystal display. In PICSIM lab, there are two types of display: 16:2 display and 16:4 display. It displays the ASCII character and some special characters. Two types of communication modes: 4-bit mode and 8-bit mode. Here now see CLCD display. Now MKP matrix keypad. This is used when a greater number of users inputs and required and still want to save some controllers view lines. This is a keypad in which of tactile switches are connected in row and column concept. These keypads are most used in telephones, calculators, digital lockers, etc. This is used when more number of users. These keypads are mostly common used. These fields telephones, calculator, and digital lockers. Interrupts. In interrupts is a communication process set up in a microprocessor or a microcontroller in which an internal or external device requests the MPU or MCU to stop the processing. Then the MPU or MCU acknowledges the request and attend to the request, goes back the processing where it was got interrupted. ISR Interrupt Service Routine. In ISR is a software routine that hardware invokes in response to an interrupt. ISR attends to request of an interrupting source by clearing the interrupt flag and should save register contents that may be affected by the code in the ISR. It must be terminated with the instruction "array type". When an interrupt occurs, the MPU completes the instruction being executed, then it disables global interrupt, enable please the address from the program counter on the stack. Timer. Timer is an important application in an embedded system, which is a default peripheral which maintain the timing of an operating inside with a system clock or external clock. It has many applications such as measuring time and generating delay. Timer or counter is a software designed to count the time intervals between the event relations. Relations which is also called register like 8 or 16 bit. Pi is referred as the change from one number to another number. It may be up count or down count. Quantum, which depends on the system clock. Setting is a measure of time which is responsible for the tick scaling, may be pre-scalars or post-scalars. Now see PIC system F877A. Now see when power on microwave event then looks like and show on display four modes: micro mode, screen mode, convention mode, start mode. Power micro mode. In micro mode, which are defines maximum watt 900 watt and grill mode. Now looks green mode. Convention mode, these are defined temperatures. Start mode. Start modes have multiple options: start, resume, pause, stop. Thanks. Now see runtime, microwaves, oven applications. We'll see these applications, then set by default 8 other, then now set the 16th clock, and LCD is 16 into 4, and load the file, load your text files, now upload and see different modes. First, micro mode, 900 watt. Set the time. Now give the buzzers. Will complete the micro mode. And now see grill mode. Grill mode, from click to and set the time and press enter. Again, give the buzzers and complete the grill mode. Now see convention mode and press 3. There are 5 temperatures. Now enter 900 and press enter. If set the 30 degree and press enter. Timer start. These are preheating mode. In convention mode, user can set oven to preheat for a particular temperature and it takes 3 minutes to preheat the oven. Only 3 minutes. After preheating it done, then the user can set time as per the requirements. Now see what workshop reset button. Then press reset button. After again power on of these microcontrollers PICSIMLAB and is last mode of start mode and press 4. Timer start. There are multiple options. Start, resume, pause, stop. If you want to stop this task and press 6.